my name is Dudu, and today we're going to make a dessert, which is the mug cake. And it's the easiest and fastest way to make a cake for yourself. And one interesting thing is it only takes like 1 or 2 minutes for it to cook, and for the whole preparation it only takes 5 or 10 minutes. How amazing, right? So now let's move on to the ingredients. So to make a mug cake, we need flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, sugar, salt, oil, and milk. To make the mug cake we have to have a mug. So let's start. So we need a bowl and we have to put the ingredients in. So we first have the 1/4 cup of flour, and then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and then we need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then we need to sieve it. It's always good to sieve the dry ingredients so that the cake would become fluffy. And if you're making or baking a normal cake, you should at least do it 3 times. It can be more fluffy and airy. You can also add a pinch of salt, and you can continue. After putting the dry ingredients in, we have to take a spoon or a spatula and mix. So now I'm done mixing, and we have to put in the wet ingredients, which are milk and oil. So I have 5 tablespoons of milk. So we have to add 2 tablespoons of oil, and I already added 1. This is the second one. Mix this together, and be careful you never over mix the cake batter, because then it will become really hard. Now I'm done mixing, and if you're making it for yourself, you can take it in a big mug and you can eat the whole cake for yourself. But today I'm giving it to my sister as well, so I have 2 mugs. Be careful you don't fill it up, because the cake needs space to rise up in the bowl. So I've poured the batter into these mugs equally, and now before putting it into the microwave, I'm going to put some hazelnut spread. So I'm cooking it one by one. So we put it in, and now we set the time. My microwave's highest power is 800 watts, and we set the time till 45 seconds. There we go, and set. If you think 45 seconds is too less, then you can take it out and see if it's good or cooked by inserting a skewer into it. If it comes out clean, then it's cooked, but if it's not, you can put it for another 10 seconds. It's done. Let's see if it's cooked. Now let's see if it's really cooked. Take a skewer and I guess this is okay. And now the other one. So our second cake is also ready, but we have to wait for it to cool down and then we can eat it. So now I think our cake is ready, but if you want to have a little more fun, then you can pour whipped cream and put sprinkles on it. Now I've got the whipped cream and we can start decorating it. Now let's try the cake. It looks yummy. It's actually good. I like it. You can also try making this and you can treat yourself to a yummy, fast and easy cake. Hope you liked our creativity and video. If you did, please like and share.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Bye.